LRPs. Some of the best yet. Some of the best yet. They bite like that, like that, like that. Big bass, double digits.
Kick up the fire right on top.
Low fall, blast off, trying to get some cast off. Doing this here for years, get my pass on. Stream mask on, putting in work. Snap back, got me focused, never settle on a shirt.
Check it, pull up. Yo, what up, Neff?
See, this is Harlem, these eyes streets.
Turn the music back up. Let's go.
Are off at the same fucking thing?
You could.
Probably could.
Landing her on that little hook might be something else, though.
Say what?
Landing her on that little ass hook is gonna be something else.
You just wedge it, huh?
Little white jig or something, or a white crappie body. Chartreuse, something you can see. This wind is effing up my rhythm though. Crappie dreams. I'm running out of crappie puns. Italian.
Italian?
About Italian. Hit the mark for the GPS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, fine. Wrong one.
Dang.
Okay.
Well, maybe now that he's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be easier to get rid of this another one, or get the other one. Like it's solid, you mean? Look at that. Come here, small man. Come here, little man.
You sure are good at wrestling, little man.
You, Oliver. Another cast.
I think that thing turned off.
Another bite.
Yes.
Largy. No, that's a big ass crappie.
I know.
Damn. That's a good
That's a
one.
fat one, dude.
That's a huge.
Oh,
dude, that's why I thought it was a largemouth at first.
Oh, that's the biggest one right there.
That's a slab, dude.
And that thing's not on. Oh, man. That's crappie, boys. Good grief, bro.
It's solid.
That thing is a tank, bro. Here. Watch your leg. That habit. Don't do that.
Don't do it. You'll die.
On purpose.
And they'll piss her off. Flexing on me.
Oh, yeah.
That's a danger.
Hi. What's that on? Duck on it?
Yeah. See if that pisses them off enough. Huh?
This might be a nice spot or a largie.
It's a largie. Come for a shaker, shaker, shaker.
Oh,
Show me
oh,
how you work it
oh.
with.
Okay.
Well, not with that one, no. There's the big girl looking at her. What's going on here? What's wrong with you? Yeah, I got one of the bigger males.
That's not a male.
It's not a male, you don't think? Alright.
Where's my karma at?
Right here. She's pretty. Work it for me. Show me how you're working it. Show me what you're working with. Come here, little baby. Come on, man. I'll take her.
Yeah, that's a solid fish. I go 5 or 6.
She has at least 5, I say. Maybe. We'll see.
What'd that one eat?
This one ate something really special. I'll take it out here in a second. The secret. Can't show you where it was hooked. The secret hook spot.
It's a nice fish, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Should we have it join our dinner?
Well, she's not invited to dinner.
No, she's not invited to dinner, but we're going to have her still hang out and party with us for a little bit.
Good grief, this boat is a mess right now.
It's a beautiful day out.
No, hey, watch that rod.
Alright.
Oh!
What do we got there?
What is going on here?
Here, don't eat our dinner. That's our dinner, not your dinner. Okay, that's our dinner. Don't eat them. Please. They're very nice. I'll leave this open for fresh air for you.
Alright, let's get this boat cleaned up a little bit before we go.
Okay, because now we're going to start banging.
Got
think that's
I don't
that
know,
far.
catch me
That's
if you
okay.
can. We had to kill Beijing and next Japan, man. This be hot, I could catch a tan. My demographic in LA, all Mexican. I love my supporters, they keep the check in hand. So every time I get a chance, I'ma bless the fam. What up?
Check it, check it, check it.
Pull up, pull up, pull up.
Yo, what up, Neff?
LRPs.
Some of the best yet. Some of the best yet. They bite like that, like that, like that. Big bass, double digits.
Kick up and fire right on top.
Low fall, blast off, trying to get some cast off. Doing this here for years, get my pass on. Stream mask on, putting in work. Snap back, got me focused, never settle on the shirt. I missed one and hit one, man, that's getting some. 2, 3, 4, 5 more, come on, that's ripping up. The way the basement's sticking, the way my feet.